this is a 3-phase relay, so we have to give it 3-phase supply that is given by 3-phase rectifier. So we have to give it the supply to switch P that is situated by means of AC anti-distribution system that is here. So we have to switch on the switch P. Then give the supply here and switch on the switch. Now we have given supply to the kit. Here there is a 3-phase MCB. We have to switch on it to operate the experiment. Now in this kit, this is a timer circuit. This is the start switch. This is stop switch. This is angle switching switch. This is the angle setting knob. This is voltage control knob, and this is current control knob. So we will do the experiment now. We are going to do this experiment for zone 1. So we have disabled the zone 2. Now this experiment can be done in two ways. One is voltage injection and one is current injection. In this experiment we are going to do the current injection method. In that method we will set a preset value in voltage and then inject the current. So now we will start the experiment. First we will do it for 0 degree phase angle. So we will set it to 0 degree, then press the start button. Then we will give 20 volt supply. Here we can see the voltage value. So it is set to 20 volts. Now here it is 20 volt. Now we will inject the current and see where our relay trips. So here we can see the relay is tripped now, and zone 1 is tripped here. The voltage value is 20.4 volt, current is 2 ampere, R value is 10.4 ohm, and X value is 0. So this comes under our zone 1 as we calculated. R1 is 10.59 and X is 2.46. When we plot the points, we can see the R and X value comes under the zone 1 boundaries. Now we will see 30 degree operation. So first we will do hardware. We will set the voltage to 0 and current value to 0. Then we will do the hardware reset. Then we will set the phase angle to 30 degree and press the start button. Then we will set the voltage value to 10 volts. Here it is set to 10 volts. Then we will slowly inject the current. Here we can see zone 1 trip, voltage at 10.2 volt, I is 2.2 ampere, R is 3.9 and X is 2.3 ohm. This comes under zone 1, and now we will see the timer operation. As we have as the zone 1 is instantaneous, the timer should also show it is instantaneous. So we will do, we will not change the voltage and current value. We will do the hardware reset. After this screen we will press the start button and the relay is tripped now, and we can see the time is 0.06 second, and we can say this is instantaneous operation. Zone 1 is always instantaneous operation. Zone 2 will have 300 milliseconds of delay and zone 3 will have 600 milliseconds of delay. Now we will check 120 we'll do the experiment for 120 degree in non-directional mode only, because in directional mode our relay will not operate in 120 degree, but we are doing it in non-directional mode, so it should operate. We'll check it now. We set it to 120 degree, then we will press the hardware reset button. Now press the start button and set the voltage to 10 volts. Then we will inject the current. We can see zone 1 has tripped for voltage 10.7 volt and current is 3.3 ampere. R is coming around minus 1.8 ohm and X is 2.7 ohm. This is operating because our relay is set to non-directional mode. If we convert it to directional mode, our relay will not operate. We can see that here. We can change the settings. Here zone 1 is set to non-directional, we are changing it to directional mode. If we do the experiment now, we can see our relay will not operate. It is now set to 120 degree. We will start it by pressing start. We will set that to same 10 volts. And we will inject the current. Previously in non-directional mode, the relay tripped at 3.5 ampere, 3.7 ampere. Now we will check it, is it operating or not. Now the current is 3.7 ampere. Here we can see. Now we are increasing the current, but the relay is not tripping. It is now 4 ampere, 4.5 ampere, 5 ampere. The relay is not tripping. So we can say that in 120 degree directional mode, our relay will not operate for fault in the backward direction of the relay. Zone 2